Hey guys, Noah here from Crochet Essentials. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make this stitch. It's a very nice lacy open stitch that is very easy. It's a one row repeat of making these beautiful shells. I believe it's called Irish stitch. Anyways, you can make a lot of things with this. You can make a scarf, you can make a cardigan, or even a blanket. You can let your imagination run wild. I've already made a swatch here just so you guys can see how it looks, and then we are going to make the tutorial together. We need multiples of 6 plus 3 for this pattern to work. And in today's tutorial I am going to use a 4mm hook or a G hook and a DK weight yarn. You are welcome to use any weight yarn you want, but for this particular tutorial we are going to use a DK weight yarn. And then we are going to chain 27, which is 24, which is multiples of 6, and then 3 extra chains. 1, 2. So I have 27 chains here. Next we are going to make a single crochet on each chain. I just like to do that because it makes a nice base for when we make the shells. Then there won't be a large opening at the bottom. So we are going to skip the first chain, and then we make single crochet on each stitch. So we are going to end up with 26 stitches. So you're going to do this until the end of the row. All right, we have made our base. So this is how it looks, all single crochet throughout. Now we are getting into the shells. We are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then turn our work. So this is considered the first stitch. What we are going to do next is we are going to count 2 more stitches, and then on the fourth one, I'm saying the fourth because I'm counting the first, so it's 1, 2, 3, and then on here we are going to make our first shell. Our shell comprised of 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet on the same stitch. So I'm going to work on my first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, chain 2, and then another 3 double crochet. Right, so we are done with our first Irish stitch. Next we are going to skip 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are going to work the same shell on the 6th stitch. We are going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet on the same spot or the same stitch. Okay, I got 3. Next I'm going to chain 2, and then we are going to make 3 double crochets again. we are going to count 5 stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the 6th, we are making our iris stitch. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet. Gonna do the same thing again. Count 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th stitch, we make our shell. 1, 2, 3, and then we chain 2, and then 3 double crochet again on the same stitch. All right, and then we are left with 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to skip the 3, 1, 2, 3, and then make a double crochet on the last stitch. So this is how it looks after the first row. Okay, next we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is considered a stitch. So when we get to the next row, we are going to work the last double crochet on this. Okay, we are going to make another shell. We are going to make the 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet on the space here. First double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, we chain 2, and then first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet. So we are going to just continue to do that, make the shells on top of each other. Three double crochets, chain 2, 3 double crochet on the chain 2 spaces from below. This would make a beautiful scarf or a blanket. Right, we're gonna make our last shell on our second row. Again, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet on the same spot. And then last, we are going to make a single crochet on here, and this is how it looks after row 2.